Hello and welcome back or to 420 plant-based cooking. We are going to be making dill pickle pasta salad. But before we can get started, let's do this. Okay, so you're gonna start by boiling your pasta. Boil that baby, and then you're gonna start cutting up your vegetables. Then you're gonna throw in your pasta. I'm using like about half a box or just under half a box. Then you're gonna take your beautiful pasta and you're gonna pour it into here. And then you're gonna add some pickle juice to your pasta. Okay, so you're gonna start with your onion first. If you can function properly high, then you can do this. Okay. And then you're gonna save your pickle juice for later. Done. So here you have your beautiful vegetables. And once that is all cut up, you're gonna set that to the side and you're gonna take your vegan cheddar cheese of choice. I use Dia cheddar. Medium cheddar. It is so delicious and it's actually perfect for this recipe. Okay, ready? Let's do this. May I have a bowl, sir? Oh. My greasy hand stains already on them. Okay, so you're gonna get a bowl. You're gonna take your vegan mayo. It's my favorite. And then I am so sorry, but I do this all just following my heart. That's all my cooking. So I'm not gonna tell you how much to put in because I just wing it. When I cook, I just wing it. And then Dia plain yogurt. I know that's weird, but it adds a nice lighter, still creamy but not too heavy kind of flavor. I would say like equal parts. And then, wow. And if you don't have vegan yogurt or you don't know where to get it, or it's too expensive, you can do a little extra, like I would say another half of what I just slapped in there of mayo, but then water it down a little bit. So if you're more comfortable doing that in a separate ramekin before adding it, you can do that, but it's pretty much the same. Like the yogurt is more of a luxury in this recipe. And then you're just gonna mix it around. Nice and thick. Pearl. Okay, mix it around, and then I am gonna throw in some Louisiana hot sauce. So You can use Frank's if you want, we're just running low. But I just add a couple little bits of that in there. If you like it spicy, you can totally add way more spice. I'm kind of a baby with spice, so I'm just adding about that much. Then you're gonna throw in, then you're gonna add in some paprika. I just add a decent amount. If I had to say like a teaspoon, but I don't really measure. Again, I just follow my heart. Then you're gonna do the same with garlic. I like lots of garlic.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. So I'm gonna add a lot. And then you're gonna have a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Actually a lot. Then you're gonna take your dill. I have a decent amount. It honestly seems like a lot, but as soon as you put it in, it is sometimes not enough. Okay. So now that you have your concoction, oh! Jared reminded me, I'm high. I forget what I'm doing sometimes. You're gonna add a little bit of dill pickle juice. Remember I said to save some? So I would just add a little splash of that. And then a little bit of sugar. So I'm gonna do about that. About that. Whatever that looked like to you, you follow that. I don't know if that looked like a teaspoon, a tablespoon, but on this channel, there are a lot of questions, and sometimes you just have to roll with it. So you're gonna take that mixture. It looks really disgusting, but it's really good. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Oh! Now we just need to put the pasta in. It's okay if there's a little extra pickle juice. So now you have your sauce. And you're gonna just add it in. Beautiful. This looks so weird right now. Why does it look so weird? I think we need to add more sauce. So I screwed up and I think underestimated how much sauce I needed. Oh my god. So basically double what I said earlier on for sauce. It wasn't enough sauce. Then mix, mix and mix. Let's see if it needs anything. Ah. So you have your dill pickle pasta salad. It is so good. Definitely recommend doing a little taster before you serve it, and then that way you can add like more sugar, more pepper, whatever else you want. If you want it a little spicier, if you want it a little less spicy, add some more mayo or yogurt. Yeah, I think this turned out perfect. Obviously, like the more spice and like sauces that you use, the more flavorful it's gonna be. So push the envelope a little bit, because I guarantee you it'll taste so good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Follow us on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!